Hi friends, welcome to my Asad Review channel. Launch your digital product Readymade website in 9 min and get 10 plus sales every day on automation without ads. Easy and fastest way to sell digital products. Even if you are a complete beginner, get complete ready to launch website and make your store live. No coding skills required. Sell any digital products from your own website. Get your digital product store up and running within minutes without any technical hassle. Receive ongoing technical for 1 year to make your website active and bugs free. Ready to sell. Enjoy a sleek professional website design that attracts and converts visitors into customers. Save time and money on development and product sourcing with our all-in-one package. Work from anywhere. Enjoy the flexibility of running your business from anywhere without the need for an office, employees, or expensive tools. 40 products preloaded. Access 40 carefully selected, high-demand digital products ready for immediate resale. Benefit from built-in SEO features to help your website rank higher in search engine results and attract organic traffic. Earn passive income. Create a steady stream of passive income by selling digital products online, providing you with financial freedom and security. Gain confidence and support. Overcome doubts and challenges with step-by-step guidance and access to a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.